Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome to the Life of Jer. Back at Paradise Pier. It is May 5th, May 6th. I think it's May 6th. We are trying to go for another halibut. See if we can get lucky. But let's go down there, get some bait fish, get our rods wet. All right, the view. It's freaking amazing. The winds are low, so maybe like winds are 3 miles per hour. Very light. You don't see the trees blowing. The water looks like almost like a pool. Oh, I'm fishing on a pier. I feel so happy. Hey, you have live bait on those?
Yeah.
And you're just catching
Trying to catch him. It's hard to catch now.
all around this pier is good, if I'm honest. Well, I've seen halibut right there. Seen halibut right at this bench right here. The most halibut I've seen is actually that bench where that guy is. It's where most of them are. But let's set up. Let's try to get some bait. I'm about to show you guys my rig setup. I have like a 9-foot rod with a real size 5000, 25-pound braid, 3-prong swivel to a 3 feet of line to an octo circle hook. I think that's what they call them. I'm still very new to fishing, so I'm figuring all this out. And then I have a 2-ounce pyramid. This lets it sink and get stuck in the mud. I don't have bait. I don't have live bait right now, so I'm gonna go catch some. In the meantime, we use squid. Never had luck with squid, if I'm honest. And from what I understand, sharks like squid a lot more. Let's just hook it on. And this is just gonna be a live line that I put on, and I just wait. Just throw it out. It's right there. What I found out is you gotta set the drag super low, so when the fish eat it, it just pulls. All right, let's get our sabiki going. So, let me show you what I got. This is my sabiki. Put a little bit of shrimp, 1 ounce, and I'm gonna just drop it to the bottom of all these piers, and you can kind of see how small the shrimp are. Look at that, freaking tiny. It's just because the fish have small mouths. I'm gonna drop it all along the pier, see what I can get. Sounds like it's slow right now, but let's see. If I don't get anything off the bottom, then I'm gonna put a float on this. See if I can get something off the top. It's kind of big, but it's gonna be okay. But the smelt on top are here. But yeah, this is a bigger smelt. So now I'm tightening the line so that when I do get hit, I can just yank him. Got it. Look at that. He's a smaller guy, perfect size. A little bit smaller would be better. All right, little guy. You already got caught. What are you struggling for? And you got your shrimp, so you should be happy. So, I only have 2 live baits. I didn't get any more, but I'm gonna pull this up and put a live bait on this. Got a smelt. Perfect little bait. Gonna hook it through the mouth. Right here. The thing I don't like about stingers is I feel like stingers like truly destroy your bait, which I don't much like, if I'm honest. But the bait this big, kind of need a stinger. So I have a stinger in it. It's fairly hooked. All right, let's throw this out. Just like that. All right, we're good. Let's get back to catching bait fish. All right, so it's 1 o'clock. Kinga is here. I think the tide is like towards its peak, so we're gonna get some more rods out. Caught a ton of bait, so I'm gonna set up some rods for a Kinga and let's see what we can catch. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful place. And then my hat's under my shirt. Okay, we're gonna do this. We have a monster on. Okay. Okay, Kinga, I also need you to, could you grab this bell? Grab the bell. Alright, we're good. Okay. I think we have a ray.
No, for real?
I don't know. It's moving like a stingray. Okay. Holy crap. Okay. All right. I think it is a ray. All right. Actually, Kinga, you want to pull this up?
Yeah.
Okay. It's strong. It's strong. So hold it. Hold right here. Hold it right here. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. I believe in you. Go, follow it. Follow it. Follow it. Walk towards it. Walk towards it. Follow it. Follow it. Keep pulling it. Keep pulling it. Wait.
I need help.
Go over me, go over me. Yeah.
No, I need to do it because it's too strong.
It's too strong?
Yeah.
Okay. You hold this. You hold this. You hold this. Oh gosh, this is really strong. Oh, Kinga, check that out.
This is a ray.
Oh my gosh. All right, Kinga, I'm gonna need you to do something. Could you get that rope? Get the, oh, my other rod. Oh my God, Kinga, I need you to get one of them. I need you to get one of them. Wait. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. All right, could you help me nut this ray up? You got it, Kinga. Kinga, play with this section. Make it a little bit tighter.
I lost it.
Okay, it's fine. Alright. Okay, 1 second. Is it in? Oh, there you go. Is it heavy?
Really heavy.
Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Thank you. Is it still on?
But it's not fighting. No.
Let's do it. What the heck, Kinga? That was crazy, huh?
That was crazy.
That was crazy.
I couldn't reel up this rod.
Which one?
The one that had probably the other ray. It was too heavy.
We'll figure. I should have gave you this rod and then worked on that rod.
Yeah. But that was also super heavy.
So, all right. We're gonna save you. Grab it right here. I'm gonna grab it right here. Make sure that there's no tail to kill me. Look at that. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. I'm gonna move the fin up. Oh, it's so heavy. All right. And actually, can you grab that camera and go on top? All right, show the mouth. So right here, the ray got stuck right here, the mouth got stuck with the treble hook that's clearly broken. Look, he bent it like that. Oh, he broke it, he just straight up broke it. And he ate the sardine that we had. But that being said, it's a beautiful fish. Do you want to hold it, Kinga?
Isn't it super heavy?
It's super heavy, but I think you could do it. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow. This is crazy.
You sure you don't want to?
No. Or maybe I should try.
Yeah.
Hold it.
You should push it over the edge. Push it over the edge, Kinga.
This is so heavy.
Yeah, push it over the edge. There you go. There you go. Now throw it over before it gets. Yeah, just throw it over. Push it from the butt. There's no tail. There's no stinger, so you're good.
No, you do it.
It's pooping. It's pooping. Beautiful fish.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Can you go wash your hands here?
Alright, I gotta wash our hands. We gotta wash our hands. There.
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah. This is a sardine or something. Oh. Look at that. Sardine, or I think it's a sardine. You
Yeah,
think?
it looks like, right? Yeah.
Sardine.
Yeah.
Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Got a mackerel. These actually taste really good. People eat these. This is also good bait, but I'm not even sure I want to use it as bait anymore. Look at that beautiful fish. Look at it. Wow, look at the gills on that. This is of the tuna species. You can see, look at the tail. It has the same tail as the tuna. A wide open mouth so it can really chase some bait down. Wow, look at the patterns on that. It's beautiful.
No, the fish is beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh, dude, I don't know if it's a multiple stingrays or one stingray just whooping on this. Oh my god.
Should be multiple. Ready?
This is huge.
That's heavy. That's gonna be heavy.
Yeah, wait, one sec.
Get them in there and I'll help you pull them up. 8-pounder right there. Back right there, you got it.
Keep bringing it towards me. Keep bringing it towards me. Keep going, keep going. Oh, dude, I don't even know if this dude fits in the net. Wait. I'm gonna scoop it from under. I'm gonna scoop it from under. Oh, he's so big. He's so so big. All right, one second. I'm gonna do this again.
Here, you want to grab my pool here?
Yeah, you do the netting. Sorry, I'm not the greatest at this. Cause he's a big ray.
Pull him up, bud.
Pull him.
Pull him up.
Pull him. There you go. Oh, he still has strength.
Yeah.
No, he's out of strength though. Alright, I'll move over. You got it?
Yeah.
No, he's a big guy.
Go overboard. Okay, there you go.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, that. You want me to grab the line? Ah, jeez.
There you go. Okay, got it. You got it.
Oh yeah. You need help? I'm coming. Oh, I got hooked. Hey, could you guys help me right here? All right. Actually, I'm good.
Ready?
Oh, jeez.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kinga.
What the fuck? That's 90 pounds.
You got some pliers, boss?
Easy.
I gotta go grab my shit. You got some pliers?
I got pliers, but good job.
Pliers right here. Help yourself. Your shit.
Thanks, boss. This motherfucker probably got another hook in his mouth.
This is way too big.
A lot of people's shit.
Oh my gosh.
Some people need the wings, man.
Yeah, I love it. I can't figure out how to do it.
My homeboy's dad passed away. We used to take the food, but
You guys how to cook them, huh?
yeah.
Wow, that's not
Oh my goodness. What the heck? What the heck?
easy. Stinger.
Yeah.
Kinga, look how big this one is.
Fat red.
Oh jeez.
Slimy there like cheese. It's gross.
Don't gotta worry about that anymore.
Oh my gosh, bro. It was only your pole that can handle that, dude.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
Shit.
Nice. Good job, man.
Good job.
Back at least like a beast.
That was a monster.
That was a freaking monster.
Same thing.
Alright, you want this one, Kinga? Alright. Here we go. You got it. Wait, let me get the bell. Oh, maybe it's a ray. Good. Walk towards it. There you go. Wait. That's how you do it. You adjust it right here. Like right here. Adjust it. Now pull that son of a bitch up.
Can you take a net?
Nah, pull it up. There, go good.
Whoa!
Keep reeling up. Holy smokes, this fish.
It's not super big.
No,
Why it's so heavy though?
yeah, it was pretty heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, we are now gonna measure this striped bass we just caught. Oh! Halibut! You think that rod could take a ray?
Nah, that's my leg.
I think it's small, but I'm just gonna measure it just in case. It might be a keeper. All right, there's a measurer here. It's about 16, 17 inches. Definitely not a keeper, but 17 inches. Look at that. Here we go. 16, 17 inches. Oh, it's definitely really big. Check it. Beautiful, beautiful striper. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing striper. But we're gonna release this fish and we're gonna release that fish. No, they don't fall out. Okay, you wanna release it?
Let's release the fish.
All right, click this right here.
5 fish.
All right, and this one. I'm gonna put a little smelt on. We're good. Let's get more bait fish. Alright, little update. A fish hit my rod. Oh my gosh, a fish is hitting that rod too. Kinga's gonna pull that rod up. But a fish hit my rod so hard that the line instantly broke. Oh yeah, those are good size. So yeah, a fish hit this rod so hard the swivel just tore off. And here's another thing. My line was on the lowest drag. So the fact that it ripped off while it was on the lowest drag is just amazing. Amazing. So crazy stuff. You feel anything? Is the line tight?
It's like, but there's something.
Wait, keep the line tight. Wait. Oh.
There is something?
Yeah, Kinga, there's something. Wait, Kinga, can you get me the hat? And turn on the turn on the... There's something. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Oh.
What?
I think that was a halibut. Oh, I just got tangled with this thing, which I'm gonna move it so I don't get tangled anymore. But oh, I screwed up. Kinga, that was a halibut for sure. That was a halibut, Kinga. Something on. Got something on. But this thing doesn't even think I got it on. Oh, jeez, now it knows. Now it knows. Oh man. Think it's a stingray. It's my chance to redeem myself. Oh, God. Ah. Ah. It's recording now. Oh, I got my other line. Come on. Oh! Ah! I don't know what that was. Ah! Crazy. It bent the hook though. All right. Tighten up a little bit is what you're saying.
That's about it.
Man, these rays are just freaking.
You're not gonna be able to get this hook on there.
You don't think? Come on, come on. All right, I'm gonna slam this ray. Camera here. Keep your line tight, keep your line tight. The ray is clearly swimming towards me. Man, I'm just getting hit by these rays. Oh, it jumped. Did you guys see that? That ray is jumping. It's swimming towards me. It's swimming towards me. Come on. Alright. Hopefully you have all my rigs on you. Oh, you're fast though. Is 100% array. Oh, it's under the pier now though. Oh, so strong. Oh man, it's under the pier. We're at like a standstill. Oh, oh, it ripped my leader. Dude, I am just getting attacked by these rays. What is going on? I just want a halibut. These rays are just whooping on me though. Alright. So, what is that? I am calling it, well, Paradise Pier closed, but calling it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. We finally landed a stingray. That's one of the goals. Of course, I want to get better at catching halibut. I want to get better at yeah, I want to get better at fishing halibut, get better at fishing stingrays so that I can give you guys just my knowledge and my techniques and just tips, just because I know that it isn't easy to fish in the Bay Area and find local fishermen who are able to give you tips, especially from shore, because a lot of people, you know, they're in kayaks, or when they're from shore, they don't tell you where they are, etc., etc. That being said, I want to be better, not better than them, but I just want to give you guys exactly what I would be looking for online, which is like, where do you guys go? What matters? What's your rig setup? What bait are you using? The tides, the weather, etc. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please find a way to support me, whether that's just a like or even a comment, whatever it is, because when I see it, it makes me smile, but it also lets me know that I'm doing something good or I could be doing something better, and that really helps me, because I want to make better content. So anyways, if you got to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. More content will be coming soon, as always, and catch you guys on the next film.